Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss monkey and banana problem in artificial intelligence with the help of a simple solved example. Also, I will discuss how to write a program to solve monkey and banana problem in Prolog. First, we will define what is a monkey and banana problem. There is a monkey at the door into the room. You can notice here there is a monkey at the door, and in the middle of the room, banana is hanging from the ceiling. You can notice here banana is hanging from the ceiling exactly at the middle of the room here. Monkey is hungry and wants to get these particular bananas, but he cannot stretch high enough to get the banana from the floor. Now there is a box at the window into the room. Monkey can use this box to climb on the top of box and then grasp the banana over here. So this is the problem definition what we want to solve in this case. Now what are the different actions a monkey can do is monkey can walk on this floor in any direction, climb on the top of this box if it is present near this particular box, push the box around if it is already present at the box, grasp the banana if it is standing on the top of this box exactly under the banana here. In that case, it can grasp the banana here. Now we will define the state in which all these entities are present here. We will define the state with the help of four variables A, B, C, D. The first component of this state is the horizontal position of the monkey, where that particular monkey is present, whether it is present at door or at middle or at window. So these are the different positions where the monkey can be present. That's the horizontal position. The second component of the state is the B, that is the vertical position of the monkey, whether it is present on floor or on the box here. These are the two possibilities. The third component is C, that is the position of the box, whether this particular box is present at window, at middle, and so on. The fourth one is monkey has or has not banana, whether the monkey has the banana or has not banana. This is the last component of this state here. Now we will define the initial and goal state of this problem definition. The initial state is determined by the current situation. Monkey is present at the door, so the first component of the state is at door. Monkey is present on the floor, so the second component is on floor. Box is present at the windows, so the third component is at window. Monkey does not have the banana, hence the fourth component is has not in this case. But what is the goal state? Goal state is monkey may be present anywhere. It may be present at door or at window or at middle, or it is may be present on floor or on box, or box may be present at window or at middle. We don't care about it. What is the only thing what we want? We want the monkey should get these particular bananas here. So that's the reason the goal state is defined as something like this. The first three component may be anything, but the last component should be what? It should have the banana here. That's the reason it should be has in this case. So this is how we can define the initial and the goal state in this case. Coming back to the next important thing, that is what are the possible moves we can have here. The first move is the grasp move. The monkey can grasp the bananas here. Second one is a climb box. That is nothing but monkey can climb on the top of this box. Third one is a push box. That is nothing but monkey can push this box around this room here. The next one is walk around. That is nothing but monkey can walk in this particular room here. Now, at this particular state, we need to remember one thing. All these particular four moves are not possible at all stages, because let's assume that the monkey is present at window, the grasp is not possible. Grasp is possible only when the monkey is present on the box exactly at the middle, that is under this particular banana. Then only the grasp is possible. The push is possible only when the monkey is present at the box here. The box is present at window and the monkey is present at the door, when push is not possible. So that's the reason we need to remember not all moves are possible at every possible state in the given world here. Now we will define the move, how this move is defined. The move is defined with three components. The first component is the state 1, second one is the actual move, and the third one is the state 2. What is state 1? State 1 is the state before the actual move is executed. What is state 2? State 2 is the state after the move is executed, and move is the move to be executed. That is nothing but what? The move can be grasp, climb, push, or walk here. Now we will define some example moments here. The first one is the grasp here. So whenever we want to execute the grasp per moment, what should be the initial state or the state one here? The state one should look something like this. The monkey should be present at the middle here. It should be present on the top of this particular box, and the box should be present at the middle, and monkey should not have banana here. In that case, it can grasp the bananas here. And once it grabs the bananas, what will happen? The monkey will be present at the middle on the top of this box, as well as box will be present at the middle. What will change here? It will get the bananas. That's the reason the has not will be changed to has in this case. So that's the only thing will change whenever we execute grasp here. Coming back to the next one, that is a walk. So walk is nothing but what? The monkey will move from one position to another position here. That is, this is the position one. It is going to another position here. Whenever a monkey is going from one position to other position, the second condition should be satisfied. That is, the monkey should be present on floor, and whenever it go from one position to another position, again it will be present on floor over here. And the box can be present anywhere. We don't care whenever monkey is moving around this room. It may be present at window or at a door or middle. We don't care about it. So that's the reason we have written box here. The same thing is written here. The monkey may or may not be having the, or can say that the banana. That's the reason we have written has here. So we don't worry about these two components. The two components are very important. Monkey is moving from one place to other position, and it should be present on floor over here whenever we want to execute walk a move in this case. Coming back to the next move, that is push. Whenever push to be executed, what should happen here is the monkey and the box both should be present at the same position. So that's the reason you can see here P1, P1. Both of them are present at the same position, and the monkey should be present at the floor. Whenever it is present on the top of this box, it cannot execute push here. So monkey should be present on floor here, and whether monkey is having banana or does not have banana, that doesn't matter here. So that's the reason the last component is H in this case. So whenever monkey push the box from one position to other position, it will go from P1 to P2. Whenever it will go from P1 to P2, uh, the box will also move from P1 to P2. That's the reason it is P1 here and P2 here. And the monkey will be still present on the floor here. It is not present on the top of that box here. And the last component, we don't care at this particular position in this case. Coming back to the one more example moment, that is called as climb here. The initial state of for climb to be executed is the monkey should be present on floor because it wants to climb on the top of this particular box. So it should be present on floor here, and it should be present near, or can say at the box. The box may be present at window, at a door, or can say that at the middle. We don't care about it. If monkey and box are present at the same place, then only monkey can climb on the top of this box here. So that's the reason this P and P will indicate that both monkey and box are present at the same position, and monkey is present on floor. We don't care about the last component, that is monkey is having banana or it is not having banana in this case. Now once you execute climb, what will happen? It will move to, again, monkey and banana will be present at the same position. You can see here that's a position will not change. But what will change here? Monkey was present on floor. Whenever it will execute climb, it will be present on the top of this particular box here. That's the reason the vertical position of the monkey is on box here. Again, we don't care about the last component, that is monkey is having banana or it is not having banana in this case. So this is how we can define the, we can say the different moments for solving monkey banana problem in this case. In this video, I have discussed how can we define a monkey banana problem, how to define the state in which the world is present, and how can we define the different moves. In the next video, I will discuss how can we write a program to solve monkey banana problem in Prolog programming language. I hope the concept of monkey banana problem is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.